Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hi guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of Sing Mei Liao Liao or Green Plum Liao Liao, chapter 113. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to pay you. Right now, she was busy. Of course, she wanted to protect Song. That's why she is fixing everything. Now, she was calling someone. Fix this mess. She only can do this when it was night. Right now, look at this. Turns out the man already apologized on Weibo. I would like to apologize for the false statement spread online a few days ago. Now, it really makes sense. Hey you, maybe. She was really thankful to bow now. I'm really sorry that this matter has caused you much trouble. Bao said to her. Beiyue said the matter was provoked by Lu Cheng. Everyone was a victim. Definitely, Lu Cheng lost the lawsuits for spreading rumors and infringing on his company's reputations. Now he has to face another lawsuit for property loss. It's really annoying. Definitely, Lu Cheng. It really cost him big because of what he done right now. Right now, it all turned back to him. You've been very tired these days. Go to bed early. He said to Lu Bao now. Well, definitely. She got really worried about her. The two of them are really taking this case serious. Yu was calling someone. Hello, Sister Sia. Well, she's been busy calling someone from there to there. Be able to fix this mess. Yu said sorry to bother you. On the weekend, I have to ask something. Sorry to trouble you. Well, definitely. She really want to finish it as soon as possible. Back to Songli Company. Everyone seems to be busy, but it turns out this day, since man already posted that he is apologizing for spreading fake rumors, everyone seems to calm down. Looking at this man suddenly, she was approaching Song Yu. Well, definitely, it has a motive. Now, he is carrying a food. She going to give it to Song? Well, definitely, it seems like that. Man said, I'm sorry, I was also misled by those comments on the internet before. So it turns out the food is for sorry. The man seems to be apologetic. Well, let's see. Well, please forgive me and don't tell Miss Pei. Oh, this is it. He was really have a motives. Man suddenly said, I'll go to work first. Well, definitely. It was agenda, so all of them cannot be scolded by Fei Yong. Suddenly, the two of them are looking at him. Well, they're really doubting, right? Especially Song Yu's friend. Right now, look at them. There's nothing to say this kind of person, he has no judgment of his own and just believes everything he hears. It's alright now. Oh, definitely, everything's went well. It's to pay you and Lu Bao now for fixing everything. I'll treat you a meal this week. You have worked hard in helping me to dispel rumors these days. It's a small matter, but it is a waste if you don't eat it. Oh, she was right. You don't need to waste it. Why those companies sends emails so early? Let's see what it says. Golden Sisters Award. So, really, it's true. The group adheres to the principle of fairness, impartiality, and openness after designers submit the design's work. There's a meeting in each link, so it turns out it was Song Yu. Well, definitely. It has been long since the Golden Shear Award. Why is the internal selections process suddenly announced? It is estimated that it's still for the matter. Someone's have the best, most fierce rumors, questions. Now, how she come to win the gold? Most of it, the others. Maybe they really get jealous again on hers. Well, this thing is really unavoidable. Those people who got jealous, of course, too insecure on herself. The incidents brought trouble to Teacher Song. The company and Miss Liu Yinao asked me to convey her apology on my behalf. In addition, I have something I want to say myself. The company is now prohibiting the office romance. The time I joined the job is far from working with Miss Song for a long time. Her professional ability is obvious to all. Oh, right now, she's been coaxed by her wife, right? Definitely, Baeyong. Ah, Tianma, please give me an object like Miss Pei. Let me live in a mansions and drive me a luxury car. This class is not a loss at all. I can still watch the general drama of the boss while everyone seems to be talking. Right now, look at her. Someone opens the door. Well, could it be that was Song right now, seeing Peiyu's announcement? Also, Pei is talking about her. Of course, it really makes sense. Now, she was really rushing to see Peiyu. Song, she's really happy and contented. Ah, are you all clicking the girlfriend power at your skill points? Well, definitely she is. Finally, the two of them are happy. Point avoid suspicions. Well, definitely Song. She was really happy on the news that Bea said to her. Office romance is already. Song said to her, "You're high profile. What I am to avoid." Well, definitely she is. She is using her girlfriend power, right? Although I know that it's not too good for you to say this at this time, I'm still very happy in my heart. Look at Song, she looks really cute. Although right now they've been serious, it feels too good to be maintained. I'm very happy. Your happiness is the most important things. Pio said to her. Oh, she was really sweet. This moment, she really wanted to show her love towards her. Peiyu and Song moved to each closer. Well, definitely. Song, she wanted to kiss her, but right now, she's been restraining herself. Suddenly, there's an interruption. Peiyu's phone is ringing, and it really makes sense. Seems to be surprised. Now, the two of them are looking on the phone. Well, who is it? Who's calling Feiyu at this moment? Well, whose phone is? Song Yu said to her. Right now, she seems to be surprised. Maybe the person who's calling her. It really caught her attention. Song, what is she going to do? Miss Feiyu is hiding something. Look at her right now. Song, she become aware of it. She is looking at the reactions of Feiyu. Well, definitely, there's something wrong or something happening. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on notification bells so you can keep posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.